Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Stock My Closet. Today's video is about half circle and full circle skirt. So let's get started. First of all, for both half circle and full circle skirt, you will need to measure waist round measurement, hip round measurement and skirt length. Let's start with half circle skirt. First of all, we need to calculate radius, which will be hip round plus ease plus seam allowance divided by 3.14. 3.14 will remain constant for all sizes. Now we'll take hip round measurement for elastic waistband. That means if you are adding elastic on your skirt waist, you'll take hip round measurement, and if you're making belt with zipper or hooks, you will take waist round measurement. Next is ease or losing. For elastic waistband, you'll add 4 to 6 inch to the hip round measurement, and for belt waistband, you'll add 1 inch or 2 inch to waist round measurement. And lastly, seam allowance, which you can take up to 1 inch. Now let's say hip round is 34 inch. I'm adding ease of 5 inch and seam allowance of 1 inch. So 34 plus 5 plus 1 will be 40 inch, and 40 divided by 3.14 will be 12 inch. So radius will be 12 inch. Similarly, you can calculate radius for your project. Just replace digits as per your requirement. Next is fabric calculation, which will be skirt length, front plus back, plus radius plus seam allowance. Let's say skirt length is 20 inch, radius is 10 inch and seam allowance is 1 inch. So 20 plus 20, front length and back length, plus 10 plus 1 will be 51 inch. Now divide 51 by 39 and you will get 1.3. So required fabric is approximately 1.5 meter. Now I'll show you how to fold and mark for half circle skirt. This is the length of fabric. And this is the width of fabric. Now I'll fold the fabric by half in length. Top side is on fold. Now from the top corner I'll mark the radius. I'm taking radius 6 inch. Now keep the measuring tape on the top and mark the same point 6 inch till the other end. So I've marked the radius. This will be the waist round. Now from this point I'll mark the length, which is 13 inch including 1 inch of seam allowance. Now measure the same from the top corner and I'll get 19 inch. Now keep the measuring tape on the top and mark the same point 19 inch till the other end. And with this marking is complete, now I'll cut the skirt. So I've cut it out and this is how it will look. So this is a cutting for half circle skirt. Next is full circle skirt, and first of all we'll calculate radius, which will be hip round plus ease plus seam allowance divided by 6.28. So this is the difference between half circle skirt and full circle skirt. For half circle skirt we divide it by 3.14, and for full circle skirt we'll divide it by 6.28. Let's say hip round is 36 inch, ease 5 inch and seam allowance 1 inch. 36 plus 5 plus 1 will be 42 inch, and 42 divided by 6.28 is 6.6. So radius will be 6.6 inch. Now I'll show you how to fold the fabric and mark for full circle skirt. So this is the fabric. I folded it by half in width. So here I have 2 layers of fabric. Now I'll fold it by half in length. So now I have 4 layers of fabric. For full circle skirt, you will need 4 layers of fabric. Now from the top corner, I'll mark the radius, which is 4 inch. Keep the measuring tape on the top corner and mark the same point till the other end. So I have marked the radius. This will be the waist round. Now I'll mark the length. This is very important point to consider while calculating fabric. On this side I'm getting length up to 17 inch, but on this side I'm getting only 13 inch. So while calculating fabric, also consider fabric width, which is very important. Now I'll mark the length 13.5 inch, including 1 inch of seam allowance. Measure the same from the top and I'll get 17.5 inch. Now keep the measuring tape on the top and mark the same point till the other end. And with this marking is complete, now I'll cut it out. So I've cut it out and this is how it will look. So here I have got full circle and I don't need to make any side seams. But if you don't get required fabric width for your project, you will need 4 separate layers of fabric. Marking process will remain the same. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.